Welcome back, guys. Sean Staplefield here, September 9th, and today we're going to check out the Dovo Inox stainless steel razor. This was honed on the coticule. The hanging hair test was not perfect. It's not where I wanted it to be. That was with water only. I got HHT4 mostly, but sometimes I would get HHT5. I think with oil, I can take this to HHT5, but I wanted to keep testing that stone, so I only did water. By the way, if you hear in the background a little squeaky sound, that's my dog, so he's excited. I just got back from work. By the way, that Dovo Inox came in this little leather case. I'm gonna take the recommendation that Leon put up in his last video about being a presenter and presenting the items that you are using. Here is the Dovo Inox with the brown handles. And the soap for today is Lather by the Cajun blade. If you're interested in this soap, you can check in the description below. I have his eBay store. Really great soap. And then the pre-shave, I already have it on. It is a mix of water and glycerin. You don't need to see that. Put that there. I already have it on my face. And I warn you, I put a lot of water into this, so I'm trying to see how watery I can get it. There's a piece of right there. I've been looking at your guys' videos. Bill did an excellent video, and Leon as well. I'm gonna take your advice, Leon, and be really careful. If I ever do those speed shaves again, I'll be really careful when I do them, if I do them. All right, Dovo Inox. Stainless steel, first time using stainless steel. Right off the bat, I can tell what Martin is talking about. About stainless steel, it feels different on your skin. I had 3 days of growth. I wanted to have more, but I couldn't help myself. I just had to try it out. I enjoy this size of razor, this 5/8 from Dovo. By the way, guys, excuse me, sorry about that. I was talking with Leon, and he sent me a link to a new straight razor shaver. His name is also Sean, so that's pretty cool. But I'll put the link below. If you guys haven't checked him out yet, make sure to check him out. He did awesome. And he mentioned a lot of guys that I watch and I respect, so he's a viewer of you guys as well, so thought it was worth a mention. And super cool guy. He did an amazing job with his right hand. Let me clean here. I got a lot of soap here on the straight razor. Really good comments in my last honing video. I was talking to JPO in the comment section, and I told him I'm getting the 4K Hayabusa, and he recommended the Snow White 8K. So I'll look into it. I should be getting the 3K Naniwa Kaguya, I don't know. And the 4K Hayabusa later today. Okay, let me use my towel real quick. I'm feeling my skin a little dry, and this is a wet towel. I put too much water. I put like a I put this entire thing to the top and put it in there with a fingernail type of the soap. The good thing is it's not like it's not like, ugh. It smells good, but I don't like eating soap, usually. Only on Fridays. It's not like dripping everywhere. Like it still has some structure even though it's really wet for some reason. And that's because I put like too much water in there. I'm impressed that it takes this entire thing for a fingernail size of, and I still have a chunk here that I didn't even work, so I'm impressed. I like that. That's some good stuff, brother. Let's check against the grain on the cheeks. This is usually my hardest pass, especially on my left hand. So it's not a keenness issue, it's a, people have been telling me about that the stainless steels have a particular feel, and on the stones I didn't feel anything, but now that I'm shaving with it on my skin I am. It just feels like, the best way I can describe it is a little bit grainier. I like doing my my 3 passes. If my skin would allow it, I would do 4 or 5. Because straight razor shaving is just so much fun. Yeah, this is a nice, keen coticule edge. Let's get under the nose. Nice. I feel like I'm getting slowly better at these fool's passes. It's it was a skill issue before. Got the nose. Let's check the problem areas. It's right here. And right here. It's always this little corner and this little corner. All right, we got it. I got a little soap here on the handle. Gotta be careful when you're handling a straight razor. Let me take the Aqua Velva Ice Blue right here. I'm thinking of getting either an 8x3 coticule or 8 by 2.5. This is diluted, but I can tell you before, even if it's diluted, I can still feel a little bit of sting, and I felt no sting at all. So it just had that grainy feeling, and I think that's what that's the devil steel, man. Oh, did I say it right? Yeah, that's the devil steel, how Martin Shaves says it. But really comfortable shave. I feel no irritation. But there's this particular sensation, this feel. Would I get another stainless steel? I'm happy with that one. I'll probably keep that one. I have the tennis razor, which is also a stainless steel, the Fokker Bite. That one I might not keep if I have already one in my arsenal. If it has the same type of feel, then definitely not, because it's not bad, it's different. And if you're putting so much money, or you've invested enough money on the hobby, and you have better razors that are carbon steel, then just like Leon said in his video, take care of your equipment, and your equipment will take care of you. So you have a carbon steel razor, take care of it, it'll take care of you. Don't leave any moisture in the scales or in the blade. And if you're not going to use it for a while, make sure you put some mineral oil or baby oil, which I don't know what the difference between those two are. Every time I go check baby oil and check the ingredients, it just says mineral oil. So I don't know if there's any difference between the two. If somebody knows, then by all means, let me know in the comment section below, because I always read and reply to all your comments. And have a great week. See you next time.